Hi everyone, my name is Matt Kruczek and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Recommend and Design System Feedback Mechanisms. This course introduces software developers to the Azure Monitoring Suite, which is a way to get feedback for both performance and usage from production applications utilizing the Microsoft Azure stack. Utilizing this service, DevOps engineers will be able to glean insights into their data by analyzing and visualizing compiled data on their processes. In addition, they will be able to get alerted when things go off the rails and be able to integrate into other systems. In this course, we are going to learn about how to employ this service to help us to troubleshoot, maintain, and diagnose our Azure services. Some of the major topics that we will cover include learning about the basic features of Azure monitoring, discovering how to capture data from your Azure services, learning how to visualize and interrogate metrics and logs, and finally, how to utilize Azure Monitor to help diagnose and deal with real-world issues. Now, by the end of this course, you'll know how to get started setting up Azure Monitoring, how to create visualizations to showcase that data, and finally, how to use that information to make your applications better. Before beginning this course, you should have some basic knowledge of C# and how to deploy simple Azure services, as well as be able to navigate your way around the Visual Studio IDE. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the ins and outs of Azure monitoring with the Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Recommend and Design System Feedback Mechanisms course at Pluralsight.